Meet Julia Barton, a spirited force in Austin's bustling marketing scene. Recently, Julia's dynamic life took an unexpected turn when she was diagnosed with celiac disease, an autoimmune disorder where ingesting gluten can cause severe health issues. This revelation was startling. As she navigated through this new reality, every meal became a potential hazard, fundamentally altering her relationship with food. Join Julia as she confronts the challenge head-on, determined to transform her life for the better amidst the complexities of celiac disease. As Julia Barton ventured deeper into her gluten-free journey, she encountered waves of frustration and deprivation. Dining out became a minefield, and Julia's kitchen, once a haven of culinary delight, now felt like a battlefield. She vividly shares stories of inadvertent gluten consumption, each episode leading to painful setbacks. Yet, these challenges only fueled her resolve. With each reaction, her determination grew, pushing her to scour cookbooks and medical resources, hungry for a solution that would allow her to enjoy food without fear. Witness Julia's grit as she delves deeper into an exploration for safer, satisfying meals. A beacon of hope shines on Julia during a local health fair in Austin, where she stumbles upon a revelation: keto bread. Each bite of this entirely gluten-free bread sparks not just joy but possibilities in Julia's mind. The stunning simplicity and satisfying taste of keto bread captivate her, awakening a fervent zest to explore this novel culinary world. Enthralled by the potential of ketogenic baking, Julia immerses herself completely, bound by excitement and a burgeoning dream. Follow her as she steps boldly onto a path that might just redefine her career and her life. With unwavering determination, Julia Barton turns her kitchen into an experimental haven as she embarks on mastering keto bread recipes. Her Austin home buzzes with the fragrance of flaxseed focaccia and almond flour baguettes, each loaf more captivating than the last. This newfound mastery isn't just for her benefit. Julia starts sharing her delicious innovations with Austin's celiac community. The response is electric. Every bread brings joy and relief to those who thought good bread was lost to them. Witness Julia's rise as she earns accolades and heartfelt gratitude, fueling her passion and hinting at a bright future. Julia Barton's journey of discovery and resilience culminates in a grand celebration, as she cuts the ribbon at Julia's Joyful Bakery. Nestled in the heart of Austin, this charming establishment quickly becomes a sanctum for anyone seeking gluten-free and keto delights. Here, Julia serves up not just bread, but also hope, inspiring those with celiac disease or dietary restrictions with her own tale of triumph. Her reflections on overcoming adversity, adapting to new realities, and flourishing bloom into powerful messages of encouragement, radiating from every corner of her bakery.